got to the stage where I keep wondering whether I'm ever.
Where are your lights, dumbass?
The other thing.
Quite the hurry. Oh! Jesus!
So what I sometimes do with couples is I ask them which of you likes to know things and which one doesn't.
Dumbass.
Up anger, frustration.
Got your lights on?
Breed resentment and cause further problems later. Women's emotional response to breast cancer can be hard for men to cope with. Every woman
Lights!
is different. Whilst it's impossible to predict how anyone
Lights, mate!
bad news, it's fair to say that most women
That's
find
better.
the diagnosis fairly distressing.
Seriously?
Hypothyroidism, an upside down estrogen progesterone problem, skin cancer, in fact, any cancer. It turns out that saturated fat is better than the polyunsaturated fat, but you'll notice that is an exact opposite.
That was too close.
Of also what the cardiologist and the internal medicine doctors tell you.
Oh, fucking hell.
What was that?
What the fuck?
I don't know what it's called, but it's special case bread.
The Just Right.
I think so.
The one that's just got little flakes and sultanas and stuff. Yeah. Move in. Looks like you're completely approved.
Watch out, watch out!
Those circumstances where he has the green light to commit an armed robbery and has a police car as a getaway in the middle of Sydney, Jack?
Well, in a way, but there is a magnificent line in Blue Murder where Smith.
What's the S763 CEI. Yep.
Oh! Dirty little bastard! Oh, God, I need to clean my underwear. I need to change my undies, I think. Fuck. Whee! There's one for you, Scotty. Little bastard. You shit yourself. This is ice.
Ice! Ice! And Eskimos and penguins and ice, possibly.
Fella, take your time getting home.
Pull over because there's ice on the road. There's been a huge hailstorm.
It isn't just hail on the road now, it is ice. Don't take any risks.
Don't just slow right down and stop.
you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Fine, whatever. All right, and in seconds, you are standing on a TV set. Cameras pointed at you.
That's
A
fucking
devil
clever,
with
ass.
all white.
Seven, 11, and 11. What if I just take a sip of Mum's drink? She will never notice. What the fuck?
Is it a deer or is it a skippy?
Oh.
That is a fact. That is a fact.
The Mayor of Lithgow, Maurice Statham, says new avenues need to be examined as we move away from mining.
Did you see him?
Yes.
He's okay, he's okay. He's okay, Rosie. Off him, man. Go, Skip! Is it a deer? It's a deer! It's a deer!
Oh, sweetheart, get off, darling.
No, it's a skippy. It's a skippy.
Is it? Oh, don't get on the road. You're right, Wobbly.
He had a...
Fell over.
Yeah, he slipped.